full of vitamins, but sometimes after I get really cold. Let's go make a smoothie together. Hey guys, welcome back to Carter's TV. Today we're gonna be making a smoothie. So we got 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and we got some vanilla yogurt right here, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And we got 1 tablespoon of honey, and we're gonna be blending it. Here's the blender right here, and we're gonna put all the ingredients in. So here's the milk. And then we're going to do the blueberries. Hopefully nothing spills out here. Goodness. Okay, here's the blueberries and the milk. Done. And now we need we're gonna add in some yogurt here. Watch it. I'm gonna get a spoon here. Here. Flail. Just get everything out of there. Ooh. Oh, I'll clean that up later. Yeah. And now we're gonna add in the honey. Here. Some honey. Oh, this is gonna be hard to get out. This is real sticky. Oh man. Here. Some more honey. Oh my goodness. With honey today. I think I should. Can't get it out. Maybe I should grab it. I think that's enough honey. Yeah, I think that's enough honey. There's some more honey in there. Okay, and now we're gonna be adding in the cinnamon. Okay, and now we're gonna get the vanilla. Fun fact about vanilla, if you get like a burn or something on your hand or wherever, you can wipe it on your wherever there's a burn, and then you can put on there. It'll soothe the burn. Yeah, after the burn won't hurt anymore. So yeah, here's the cap. Okay, make sure you get your parents to help you because there's definitely gonna be a blade somewhere on your blender. Okay guys, we're gonna start blending it. I wish I should bring some. I should grab some earmuffs. So turn this on. Anyways, press this and. Wow, that was loud. Okay. Let's see how it smells. Smells so good. Look, this is what we created. Smoothie. Okay, now really carefully. Hopefully nothing spilled. Okay, there. Now, perfect. Let me just get a straw. Let's test it out. That was good. It kind of tastes like honey too. This is the best part, trying out this drink. Now we have to clean up. Okay, It's dishes right here. This was so much fun making a smoothie with you. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Bye.